Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today we are tackling the perennial problem of student data management. Here we're going to create a functional database structure in Google Sheets, then use Canva's AI features to visualize that data beautifully, perfect for tracking grades, attendance, or contact info. So let's just jump into the first step. First, you can just open Google Sheets and then in here open a new blank spreadsheet like this. Here we need essential fields. So the header row is the most critical part. This will be your database field, so you can just enter or make the header row. First, I'm going to go with student ID for the first column, and then name, grade, attendance, and then here contact info. I recommend a column for last contact date to track communications. So you can use data validation for consistency, and for status you can create a drop down with options like active, on leave, or graduated. So this will keep your data clean. Now we can just enter some mock data. This is what we'll use to create our stunning dashboard in Canva. So I'm using this mock data in here. I'm going to just copy a few here. The students, student name in here, and the student phone number. So here I'm going to just go with the contact info. So now once you enter your data, you need to prepare it for Canva. So Canva needs a clean data store, so you can select all your data from the headers down to the last row of student info like this. So instead of downloading a CSV, we're going to publish to the web so we can dynamically link it. You can just click on the file, share, and choose publish to web. Here you can just select the entire sheet and tap on publish. Click on OK. And now you can just copy the entire URL, the generated URL in here. You can just copy it. So this special links allows Canva to read the data securely. You can keep this thing handy. It's a key to the magic. Now you can use Canva Magic Design or AI for chart features. So you can head over to Canva and we're going to create a visual student data dashboard. I'm choosing an A4 document size. So let's just go to the home page in here. You can go with the custom size. Okay, so once the blank canvas is open, you can just find the app sections later in the left panel in here. So on the apps, you can just search for chart. This one. And here you can choose a dynamic chart like a bar graph to display the average grade by class, or a donut chart for attendance rate. So let's try the bar chart first. This one. here you can just click on the chart, and instead of manually entering data, you can just connect the data. Click on connect data in here. This one, import data, choose Google Sheets, and then you can just here paste the link of your spreadsheet before. Okay, so the chart has been created. You can also use Canva AI to do a brief summary for the dashboard, like insight from Q3 data. So you can just give it a simple prompt. And that's it. You've successfully built a powerful, visually engaging student database using just Google Sheets for the back end and Canva for the beautiful front end. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the thanks, and also share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.